So let's just talk about class component in React. So in React, class component is a JavaScript class that extends the React component, and the class component must contain this render method which returns the JSX that defines the user interface. And also the class components can manage and hold their own state. So here it has its own count state. Class component can have its lifecycle methods, it can accept props, and also it can have methods inside it. So here we have the increment method that increases the value of count by 1. So let's now talk about few of the advantages of using class components. So first of all, class components can hold and manage their own state. So here the class component has their count state. Secondly, class component has access to lifecycle methods, so which are helpful in fetching the data and also performing other side effects. Thirdly, class component has access to this keyword, which is used to refer to the component's instance. Fourthly, code organization. So class components can be used to organize and structure the code, especially when it is large. So these are the key advantages of class component. So previously we have created this functional component called grid. Let's now convert this to one class component. So let's just comment this out. So first of all, we're going to define the class grid. Now to convert this to one React class component, so we have to extend component, and also we have to import that from React. Now inside the class component we must have the render method, which is going to return some JSX. So here in this case we're just going to return the h1, which says welcome to React class component, and then we have exported as earlier. If we look at the result, so you can see, if we refresh, so you can see we have the message welcome to React class component. So we have successfully converted this functional component into class component, and our app is working properly. So now with the introduction of hooks in React, so the functional components has become more powerful. So the functional components can manage their own state, they can manage lifecycle, and they are short and easier to write. So that's why the functional components have become lot more popular, and they are mainly used in the React development. So nowadays the class components are less frequently used, and the functional components are preferred over the class component. So that's it for the video. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.